Good morning. We're taking a look at gold. I'm starting off with the daily chart at this point, and the reason that I'm doing this is because I want to point you out something. Now, we know that gold's been in an uptrend and it's been going back. August, dips, up, dips. Now, this little bit here was interesting. If you looked at this little line here, and if I connect another little segment here, okay, now these are bullish patterns, but what happened to this one is that you got so far away from yourself. You've got that bit there. Now, with that bit there, you do get these false breaks. Now, that isn't to say it should have gone on for 4 days, because it really shouldn't have done. But Friday we saw the break, and we saw the break higher. Now, where do we go from here? There are a lot of reasons why gold should continue to go higher. I can't think of anything that would push it down apart from a correction to what we saw on Friday. And even if we did have that correction, I do think we're going to be limited here to 1293. You've got the pivot point of the weekly charts, and that's coming in at 1294 this week. I'll put them on the chat for you. But it's coming in at 1294. You've got the daily pivot coming in at 1300. So we work within those parameters. I think the first target that we're going to see on gold, if we look over here, is going to be this one, and that's coming in at 1309. But the further out we go, the more we can see where gold is likely to go. Now, you've got this at 1309. You've got this over here, and that's coming in at 1326. Funnily enough, the measured objective from this pattern here is 1325. So please bear this in mind when you're trading gold, okay? For a long time now, gold has been captured just under the 1400 area. Next week, when I do the monthly charts, I will go in and explain why this has been kept below here for such a long time. But for the moment, and for today, and for the rest of the week, it is looking like gold does want to trade higher. And I think that 1325, you're going to see some sellers coming back into the market. You are going to see profit taking. You may see profit taking around 1309, but you're limited. I think now we've made the breakout of this pattern here, I do think you're limited on the downside. So all the technical indicators are saying to buy into weakness, and I don't see any reason to argue with them. So we are going to be buying into weakness, and we are going to be looking for an overall objective of 1360 to 1365. And I think that again will prove to be a top in this market. Good luck. I'm on the desk all day. I'll catch you later.